to my channel. Today's video we're going to be doing a review on the Gucci face gloss. Gucci face gloss, and it's also my first Gucci bag. Can you believe it or not? Maybe one day it will be a real one. Well, technically it is real, but yeah, I'm going to be reviewing today the Gucci face gloss on my face. My face is matte right now, like oh my god, I've never done like a full matte face, oh my god. And yeah, she's got her hair in a little plait today, you know, I'm feeling it. And before we get into this video, I have a massive announcement. This video is actually in collaboration with Ana Luisa. Oh my god, their pieces are so beautiful. I'm wearing them right now. I've got on their gorgeous endless gold hoop earrings on, and then their gold chain bracelet. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. So I'm just going to give you a little bit of a close-up. So this is their curb chain bracelet, and oh my god, I'm absolutely obsessed. You guys know I love my jewelry pieces. I'm absolutely obsessed with them. And I'm also wearing the endless hoop earrings. Oh my god, I'm absolutely obsessed with both of them. So Ana Luisa are such an amazing company that their mission is to offset 100% of their carbon emissions, starting with the sourcing of their materials are raw with their jewellery, and all the way to disposing of their pieces once they get worn and everything like that. They are such a lovely company. They also have fair prices, starting with their low pieces starting from £28, and they only use the best noble metals. I'm absolutely obsessed with both the pieces. I am just obsessed with jewellery in general. I just love how they give you the most elegant little touches and detail. I'm just obsessed with this bracelet. Like, she's slaying. Like, she's feeling like she's slaying with this bracelet. Like, I slay. And you can also use my discount, which is FionaJ10 for 10% off their website. I would definitely recommend them because I'm literally obsessed. I mean, obsessed. But yeah, getting straight on into the video, I'm going to be testing the Gucci face gloss, and I'm really excited to highlight this face because you know I like a good highlighter. But yeah, thank you so much to Ana Luisa for gifting me these gorgeous pieces. I'm absolutely obsessed, and I definitely recommend to go check them out. So getting straight on into the video, the Gucci gloss actually retails for £18 on the Gucci website, and you get all the packaging, you get all the lovely bags. And since it was a Christmas present from Shane, and I asked for it for Christmas, since I saw Ellie Darby using it and recommended it, I was like, oh my god, I want that for Christmas, can I have it please? And Santa delivered it to me. So yeah, really happy that I get to try this for the first time. I haven't tried it yet because it's January and I just literally haven't got around to using it yet. So yeah, it's £18 on the website, and you get a gorgeous Gucci bag. Also, because it was Christmas, and I think you get one anyway, you get like a little Gucci envelope. I showed it in the little over clips with the Ana Luisa jewellery. But yeah, absolutely obsessed with that. How cute. But yeah, this is what the packaging looks like. It's a little pink and black Gucci box, and it says multi-use gel gloss multi-usage. So with this, you can use it on your face, eyes and lips. So it's like a translucent gel formulation, and it's just meant to give you the most illuminating glow, like natural finish to your skin, like if you like dewy skin. And I've just heard so many things about this, so I'm actually going to unbox it. Oh my god. So this is what it looks like out of the box. It's a really nice sort of like pale pink. Looks super cute. I mean, how cute is that? And it's got 4 grams in there as well, and as you can see, it is completely transparent. So before I apply it to my face and get highlighted, I just thought I'd read you the little description online. So it says it's a new dimension in makeup, the Eclat I don't even know how to say that, Lumiere multi-use gel gloss adds a veil of transparent illumination, creating a glowing finish. A makeup innovation, this convertible gloss for your eyes, lips and cheeks, oh it's cheeks as well, is available on one universal shade to naturally highlight and sculpt. Formulated with a gel texture, it can be worn alone, oh natural gal, or to emphasize facial features on top of makeup, providing a luminous effect with a reflective dewy finish. So it is transparent. This product is made using an animal friendly vegan formula. Oh, I love that. High Shine Gel reflects light from gleaming finish, creating a transparent, glossy effect that helps sculpt the face. Glides on easily with a silky, oil-free texture. It's multi-use, can be applied to the eyes, cheeks or lips. Can be worn alone on bare skin or over makeup. Presented in a pale pink pot. Oh my god, I love the pale pink pot. It's so cute. With gold toned Gucci logo. Love the Gucci logo. I mean, 4 grams, and yeah, that's all that it says. And it's £18 on the website, so you get 4 grams for £18. I mean, because it's a Gucci beauty product, I mean, I wouldn't expect to pay a little bit more for a smaller portion of product. But nevertheless, it's cute, it's Gucci, and I can't wait to see the results. I've seen this hyped up so many times, and I'm just excited to try it for myself and get some highlighter on this girl. Do you know what I mean? So I'm just going to open this little pot of Gucci. So, wow, inside is literally transparent. Look at that gel formula. Wow, I'm obsessed with the packaging, by the way. It's just like a pale pink. So I'm going to get myself ready with my little mirror and our little setup. So move this hair to the back. She's got no hair now. So she's got no hair now, but I'm just going to lightly dip my finger into that. I've already washed my hands, by the way, everyone. So I'm just going to start applying this. I think I'm going to go this side first. Onto the cheek. And just press it into the skin. I don't want it to remove any of the makeup that I've put on underneath. Which I feel like the matte skin doesn't actually look that bad. Like, I'm always such a highlighter girl, but actually the matte skin I'm actually loving. Oh my god. Oh my god. Can we actually see that glow right now? I know I look like an egg on this side, but can we actually see that glow? Oh my god, can we actually see that glow right? Oh my god. Wow. This actually might be my new favourite highlighter of 2021. I'm sorry, but can we actually see that glow? You can see that glow from here, honey. Oh my god, I'm actually obsessed. So I'm just going to take a bit more on this finger. Sorry for my precarious little setup right here. I've just got my mirror on my lap. So I'm just going to apply it on this side now. So it's literally like a sticky gel. Like, it's a clear sticky gel that gives you like a little illumination. Well, not a little illumination, a lot of illumination. You can see me from here. I feel like you have to be quite careful with how much you use though, because I feel like I've gone too much into my cheek here now. But nevertheless, it still looks absolutely glowing. Look at that glow so far though. I mean, I look a bit too glowy. I look glossy. That's what it says on the tin. Face gloss. It says face gloss. So I'm going to use my other finger to sort of like blend out, because I don't want it to go too much near like my eyes and stuff. I do feel though, when you're using this face gloss, you've got to have a wet wipe nearby, because it's getting a bit sticky. So I'm just going to use the excess to go like down my nose, because I really like to highlight down my nose. I just feel like it gives you such a nice glow. She's being daring. She's getting a little bit more, and she's gonna pop it down the bridge of her nose and on the tip. I feel like, how would you use this with a brush though? Because it's so sticky, you'd have to use it on like a beauty sponge at least. I feel like you can control it more with your finger though, so I definitely wouldn't really recommend a beauty sponge, because you literally don't need that much, and the beauty sponge will literally soak it all up. I feel like the beauty sponge would literally just soak it all up. So I've just taken a little bit more. I'm just gonna apply it on the side of my head, and then I'm just gonna apply a little bit on this side as well. Whoa, that's made a massive difference just by applying it there on top of the brow bone. Woo! She looking like she's glossy, like she's so glossy. I'm gonna attempt to apply a little bit here as well, because I like to highlight there. Do I apply this on the lips? That is the question. Do I just do it for the video? Yeah, go on then. Ah, so scary. Oh wow. Oh my god. Oh my god, I mean, didn't she just go from 0 to 100 with that gloss, honey? Yes, she did. Let's apply some there as well. Wow. Oh my god. I'm literally shook right now. If you're gonna buy this product, buy it for lip gloss. Oh. Are we seeing this? Oh my god, she's glossy. Oh my god, this is the best lip gloss. Oh god, I'm actually dying. I'm dying inside about how good this lip gloss is. This multi-use gloss, I should say. Thing is though, now I feel like I've used my one finger for my lips and now my one finger is a little bit pink. So you can't use it with the rest of your face. So I'm just going to blend the rest of this in now because I'm pretty sure I've had enough gloss on my face right now. So I'm just going to blend it in. How glossy this face is right now. Does exactly what it says on the tin. Super, super glossy, super, super iridescent. Like, oh my god, this is literally such a lush glow. Like, you can use this without any makeup on and you just probably look absolutely glowing. I am so obsessed with this product. Like, £18 for 4 grams of product and I literally used hardly any. So let me just show you how much I've still got left without spilling it everywhere. Look how much product I still have left. Like, oh my god. I definitely think this product is worth for special occasions though, because I feel like you don't want to waste your new Gucci product, especially if you haven't had a Gucci product before. But yeah, absolutely obsessed with this new Gucci product. Well, it's not actually new. I don't know how long it's been on the market for, but it's so amazing. I'm absolutely obsessed with it. So yeah, £18 for this highlighter or Gucci gloss is just well worth it in my opinion. The one thing I would say with it, I wouldn't wear it with like your hair down. I think you definitely have to wear it with your hair up. I'm just lucky enough that I actually put it in like a little plait because I feel like it would just stick to your hair. I just feel like it would stick to your hair like the whole time. But oh my god, use it as a lip gloss. Oh my god, the one thing I almost forgot to say, fair enough it being a really amazing glowy highlighter, but the next thing is amazing glowy lip gloss. Like, it's so glossy. Like, honestly, this lip gloss is so nice. It's non-sticky as well and I am literally living for this lip gloss. One thing, definitely get it for a lip gloss, but I'm absolutely obsessed with this product. Definitely recommend to get it. I'm so grateful that I got it for a Christmas present, but even if it wasn't a Christmas present, I'll definitely buy it for £18. And you get the stunning gorgeous little Gucci bag as well, just like a little treat, and you get the little Gucci card. And yeah, I'm absolutely obsessed. My thoughts on the Gucci face gloss, it is definitely worth the money and definitely recommend to get it. So guys, that brings us to the end of this review of the Gucci face gloss. My opinion, definitely worth the money. I'm so obsessed with this product. Lip gloss highlighter, be so gorgeous over the eyes as well, with makeup, without makeup, definitely worth it. And you get a Gucci bag technically, but yeah, absolutely love it as well. The formulation, obsessed with, non-sticky as a lip gloss, gorgeous packaging as well. I mean, it is just to die for and it's only £18. So yeah, my review, absolutely obsessed, absolutely worth it. Big tick from me. But yeah, before I go, please make sure to check out Anna Louisa as well. I'm so grateful for these jewellery pieces. I'm just absolutely obsessed. You can also use my code FionaJ10 for 10% off on the website. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to give it a big thumbs up for me, as I'd really appreciate it and it helps my channel grow. And if you're new here, Unicorn, I'd love you to stick around and join the Unicorn Gal fam. I upload every Wednesday and Sunday. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it and I'll see you in the next one. Bye everyone.